Welcome back to another video, everyone. So today I'm already done by what was 7 o'clock. I'm filming this at 8:15, but I was done for the day today before 7 a.m. So how did I do that? So last night in yesterday's video, I said that I would be watching this key level of 13,000. Yesterday, I thought we were going to be getting a bounce off 13,000. Yesterday, we hit a low of 13,006, so just missed that by 6 points. So we didn't get that bounce, and no 13,000 bidders got filled. So obviously from last night, just bounced up there. Pre-market action was kind of flat, pumped here, and then started the dump at around, it looks like 5:30. We started dumping into 13,000. Huge volume burst on that break through 13,000, and a lot of buy orders coming in here, which bid up the price. I got filled at around 13,000. My stop was a little bit below 12,980. Usually, obviously, it's a 15-point stop. Since it was a pre-market trade, I just really didn't feel comfortable leaving it very tight. I know pre-market can run a lot, and you have to give it a lot of room. So I did move that to almost 20 points. So thankfully I did that because I might have gotten stopped out almost at the bottom. So thankfully I had that 20-point stop instead of a 15, and we just kept bidding up after that. That's what I sort of anticipated. Woke up around here, set a trailing stop for 5 points below, and I think I got stopped out around right here. I did miss out on some of this, but at the same time, I also made $750. I think almost 37.5 points in not even an hour, and now I'm done for the day. So before the market even opens at 9:30, I'm already done. So that's how trading is supposed to be, and that's awesome. There really wasn't much of this trade, literally just key level, bounce, sell for a little bit of profit, be done for the day. Super easy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and take care. Peace out.